Hi everyone, today I have some time for a quick one. And in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how to actually import a video into FlipaClip so you can do a lot of things with it. First of all, you can study from it to see how much goes into a shorter or longer, or how much goes really into an animation. But to do this, I opened up this and I created a little, video that I recorded with my screen capture from a video gameplay. And it's exactly what I'm going to import in here to show you guys how to do this. So what you want to do is you want to go up here on the three dots. And when you tap them, there is this option down here that says add video. So you want to tap on add video and it will ask you where your video is. So I'm gonna go ahead and say video library because it's in my photos and it brings up everything that you have in the photos. And it's this little fast video here that I have that is about 0.6 of a minute, so it's about 6 seconds. So it's a little recording I did of me playing a video game, and I'm gonna go ahead and say use this. So what happens is FlipaClip actually calculates it to tell you exactly how long it is and the frame rate it has and all that before it imports it into your FlipaClip. So here you can see it showing me it's 6 minutes and it's 6 seconds long and it's 47 frames per second. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose to import it, and FlipaClip then does its magic and brings it into FlipaClip. Into your canvas. But the best part about this is not even the video being imported in here. So when you play it, you can see it's playing. It does not import the audio, but it imports the graphics so you can see the video itself. All right, so the best part here is that it breaks your video into single digit frames to show you exactly if you are to animate where you're supposed to be animating and what really goes into that animation. So you can see this is a 6 seconds video, but you can see it has 40 let's see how many, at 47 frames per second, but it has 77 frames. And by just studying this video, you can actually learn more about your own animation. Even if you're not going to use it to draw directly on it, you can learn more from just seeing how the pros animated this. So thank you so much guys again for watching this, and when I come back again, I'll show you how you can draw on top of it slowly by slowly to create maybe additional animation to the video that you created, or to use it as a reference to create your own hand-drawn animation. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.